Warning: electrical shock hazard. Disconnect power before servicing. Replace all parts and panels before operating. Failure to do so can result in death or electrical shock.
Excessive weight hazard. Use 2 or more people to move and install dishwasher. Failure to do so can result in back or other injury.
For more information, please refer to your owner's manual. If you see water in the drip tray, it will need to be emptied. To remove the drip pan assembly, press the snap at each side of the plastic tray in toward the center of the product and pull toward yourself. Is the water supply connected correctly? The water hookup is located in the front left corner of the machine. Insert the water supply line into the 3/8 inch compression fitting as far as it will go, making sure the 3/4 inch hose fitting is facing upward and the rubber washer is inserted as shown. Secure the nut to the elbow by holding the elbow fitting with a pair of pliers and tightening the nut using a 5/8 inch open-ended wrench. Align the 3/4 inch hose fitting with the dishwasher valve and hand tighten the coupling to avoid cross-threading. Check the tightness of the coupling using pliers. An additional 1/4 to 1/2 turn may be required to seal the rubber gasket. Ensure the float switch is properly connected. Reconnect float switch by aligning the connector with the connector housing and pushing in until the locking tab is visible over the back of the connector. Remove the code. Press the cancel key one time to silence the alarm tone. Press the cancel key again to clear the code. For more information, please refer to your owner's manual.